To fix Shopify not working on Chrome, start by checking your internet connection to ensure it is stable and working properly. Next, try restarting your Chrome browser to see if it resolves the issue. If the problem persists, clear your browser cache and cookies, as outdated or corrupted data can cause issues with Shopify. You can do this by going to Chrome settings, then clicking on More Tools and selecting Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to select the correct time range and check the boxes for cookies and other site data and cached images and files. After clearing your cache and cookies, check if Shopify is working properly. If not, try disabling any recently installed extensions, as they may be interfering with Shopify. You can do this by going to Chrome settings, then clicking on More Tools and selecting Extensions. Try disabling each extension one by one to see if it resolves the issue. If the problem still persists, try resetting Chrome to its default settings. You can do this by going to Chrome settings, then clicking on Advanced and selecting Reset Settings. Be aware that this will reset all your Chrome settings, so use it as a last resort. If none of these steps resolve the issue, try checking Shopify's server status to see if there are any outages or maintenance scheduled. You can also try reaching out to Shopify support for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix the issue with Shopify not working on Chrome. Remember to always keep your browser and extensions up to date to prevent similar issues in the future. Regularly clearing your cache and cookies can also help maintain your browser's performance and prevent issues with websites like Shopify.